Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for my cooking tutorial. In the previous video I showed you how to make a chocolate orange Christmas cupcake. Now this is a second Christmas tutorial and this is going to be snowflake cookies. Now first things first, we're going to start beating 200 grams of unsalted butter and softened, and also 200 grams of golden caster sugar. You're going to beat that until it's soft and creamy. The next thing that's in this recipe is going to beat in 1 egg and then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, now you're going to beat that until it is combined. Finally, what I'm going to add is 400 grams of plain flour in order to make a dough. What I prefer to do is best is to sieve it in. What I'm going to do this, I'm going to do best of all when you're making this dough is to use it with a spatula. this is a dough texture that has been combined, what you'll have to do is to wrap it up in cling film. And then you'll have to put it in the fridge for 20 minutes and until it's firmed up. So pause the video now and I'm going to show you what to do next with the cutters. Welcome back everyone. Now after you've chilled this dough for 20 minutes, what you need to do is to add extra flour to dust the surface so the dough doesn't stick. Now you might want to dust the rolling pin if you wanted to. I'm just gonna roll this until now if you watch me roll the dough out, please do. Now if you want to make this cookie, whatever you want to do this cookie for, you can write it in the comment section below as to what you're doing these cookies for. Now, this is a pound coin. You got roll this out until it is that thick. Once you roll the cookie batter out, you're just gonna cut this until you've used up all the cookies. So if you want to watch me cut the cookie dough, you can do. This is a simple demonstration on how to make a snowflake cookie. These are the cookies that are being cut out using a cookie cutter. This is just the scraps that have been left with the cookie cutter. I do the same along with the previous rollout. So put the flour on top of the work surface and on top of the dough. And roll it out again. Make sure it has the same thickness as your previous rollout. And cut out the snowflake shapes that you have been cut out. These are the snowflake cookies that use up all the batter, the cookie batter. What you have to do is preheat these to 200 degrees, and you're going to bake them for 10 minutes until it has edges to turn brown a bit. So pause the video now. And what toppings you have to do next. Next is we're going to do a topping on the snowflake cookies. If you've got 500-gram pack of white fondant icing like this one, this is a marzipan. And you need to roll these out and in a 50p thick icing. This is a marzipan when it's rolled out until it is a 50p pence thickness. Now you're going to stamp out the same size as you were on these Snowflake Cookie base. Once you roll the icing roll out, what I'm going to do is put a little bit of the honey on top of the cookies. Something that will make it stick along with the cookies and the marzipan. These are the marzipan I've glued on top of the cookie cutters, them cookies. Now I'm going to show you what to do next. As you can see, I used a tiny amount of the dropping just to spread it out, and I used a pasting brush to spread the topping out. Now stick that on after you've spread the marzipan on until you spread that out evenly. That's all I have done with the topping. And finally, the last ingredient is 100 grams of raw icing sugar. Now, this is water. You can't have enough icing sugar to make sure it is pipable icing. Once the icing is piped up enough, you can put this icing straight onto the icing piping bag. This cookie has got the icing on, and it's also got the decorations on top of it, so do the same for the rest of the cookies. These are the completed Snowflake cookies I've done with you. So if you like this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to get notifications for other videos. Bye. Bye.